This feature monitors heart rhythm for patterns that may suggest high blood pressure. Available on Series 9, 10, and Ultra 2 with watchOS 11 or later. First, open the Health app on your iPhone. Tap your profile picture or initials in the top right corner. Select Health Checklist under the Features section. Then tap Hypertension Notifications. Confirm that you are 22 years or older and that you have not been previously diagnosed with hypertension. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup, carefully reading the medical disclaimers. Finally, tap Done to activate the feature. Now your Apple Watch will passively monitor your heart rhythm over the next 30 days. After enabling hypertension notifications, your Apple Watch will monitor your heart rhythm over a 30-day period. If it detects patterns suggestive of hypertension, you'll receive a notification on both your watch and iPhone stating that your Apple Watch detected heart rhythm patterns that may suggest high blood pressure. At that point, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional to review the data and determine the next steps. This feature is designed to supplement regular medical checkups and is not a diagnostic tool. Remember, it is a screening aid, not a substitute for traditional blood pressure measurements. According to a 2025 JAMA study on 10,000 users, found 85% sensitivity for detecting hypertension indicators, with 70% specificity, better than pulse oximeters, but inferior to cuffs. Also, consider that false positives can occur, so always follow up with a medical professional for proper evaluation. Thank you for watching.